So I got this little bike back in like March. Yamaha R3, and we got like at least 2,300 miles on it already. I didn't have my motorcycle license before either. I've never even ridden a bike. We're gonna take it out right now. I gotta run a couple errands. Push the music. Need to get gas. Man. And garage won't plug. Pretty quiet around here. I bet you there's a lot of people out at the beach. Found this little fucking dog park thing. So I guess it's predominantly a child's park. Fucking cool. cool spot. That's Santa Paula. If you go that way, it's a little high. Up and up the mountains, all that shit. Okay. And over here, you can see the other part of Santa Paula a little bit. Yep, no trash cans in this one. Well, it's hot. Gotta be like 90. All right in the shade, but whoa. I love these things. We'll get them at Winco. If you can find them. Fucking fire. So like I said, I don't know if you guys can hear me. Ooh, that's hot. So we are at 2507. And I bought this shit in March. It's a brand new bike.
Do one thing every day that scares you.
25,000 miles on them tires.
Don't be reckless with other people's hearts. Don't put up with people who are reckless with yours.
25,000 miles on everything. Or, I'm sorry, 2,500.
Jealousy. Sometimes you're ahead.
Big difference.
Sometimes you're behind.
It's good though. Still doing good.
It's only with yourself. Remember compliments you receive. Forget the insults. If you succeed in doing this, tell me how. Keep your old love letters. Throw away your old bank statements. Stretch. Don't feel guilty if you don't know what you want to do with your life. The most interesting people I know didn't know at 22 what they wanted to do with their lives. Some of the most interesting 40-year-olds I know still don't. Get plenty of calcium. Be kind to your knees. You'll miss them when they're gone. Maybe you'll marry, maybe you won't. Maybe you'll have children, maybe you won't. Maybe you'll divorce at 40. Maybe you'll dance the funky chicken on your 75th wedding anniversary. Whatever you do, don't congratulate yourself too